What's up, Natty Dads? I don't know how well you can actually hear me because it's super windy out here at the beach, but today is the second day of vacation and I definitely went over calories today, being honest and reporting exactly what I've been eating. But what's been interesting is that it's all really good food. Like I took some pictures of it. We got some Mediterranean food. We had some burgers. We had some grilled carne asada and chicken and some veggies and rice. Like it's all whole food nutrition. It just could get up there because the portions are a lot bigger because I'm not monitoring in the same. And one of the interesting insights about that has just been that we really have no idea how many calories is in a portion of food. And nature has always done a pretty good job of controlling that for us. So the fact that we live in an abundance now makes it really hard to know exactly just with your eyeballs how much of each type of food you need to control calories and not overeat. So if you're somebody who's always confused, like, wow, I don't really feel like I eat that much, I don't know why I'm gaining weight or why I'm not losing weight, that's because we don't have any ability to do that. It's hard to do that with just your eyes and your stomach. So that's kind of an interesting insight during vacation that I've realized, is that we've been eating whole foods, but we've been eating a lot of them. So I easily ate 3,000 calories yesterday, which is about 300 calories more than I'm allotted for during maintenance. I mean, in fact, I probably even eat more than that. It's probably more like 500 calories over that. It was like 3,200 or 3,400, but I never felt like I was overeating. I just felt like I was eating to what my appetite wanted for that day or for that time of day. So it's been kind of an interesting insight to that. So anyway, having a good time on vacation. Tomorrow is gonna be another day at the beach, and then we're gonna head home and end our vacation on Sunday. So here's a quick another view of the ocean. It is beautiful out here. As you already know, it's super windy. All right, I'll see you guys in another video.